As a reading and writing instructor, one of the areas I spend a great deal of time on with students is teaching them the importance of citing sources. So today I'm going to pull up a document and show you an add-on that can make that a little bit easier for students. So I've entitled the document Books with Citations, and I'll put a few titles here. So we'll add The Wind and the Rose. I'll add Gone with the Wind and Moby Dick. And then if I go to the add-on screen and I go to EasyBib, Bibliography Creator, and go over to Manage Bibliography and click on that, on the right of my screen will pop up the citation generator. And if I put the first title in here, we'll put and I have it on MLA 8th edition because that's the most recent. But there are options as well for if you use 7th, if you want APA, Chicago style. Those are all options, but this is the one that we use most frequently, so that's the one I'm going to choose. And I do a search, and then that gives me some options depending on which version of the book that you're using or which one that you want your students to use. So if I choose this one, it's working. And then the citation pops up, and then I can add it to my document. And then it puts the title Works Cited, so that's on there for students as well. It just makes it very easy for them to get a visual of what a citation looks like. And so if I add Gone with the Wind, and I do a search for that one, and I'll go with this one and add that one. And so I have my second one. And then, again, I would do that with Moby Dick, but I don't need to demonstrate that. But it just shows the ease of that for students. I like the added feature of having the different options here, but especially this where I can choose which type of citation I want. And hopefully that makes it a little bit easier for people to see how that works.